Hey guys, so today we will be rebuilding the tank of my 1980 Orion. See, normally I'd completely gut it. New bolts would be the first thing I give, but since these ones are double nutted and have wing nuts, I see no need to replace them. Other than that, I've completely gutted it, kind of cleaned it out a bit. I mean, gotten a lot of the residual dirt out. Here is the fill valve I'm using. It's the same one, I just cleaned it up and man, it looks a hell of a lot better. Look at that here. My cat's decided to make a guest appearance. She's inspecting it. But anyway, I chose this certain flush valve. You typically find them in Kohlers, but I've seen them in a Crane front trap and a Canadian compact tank in lime green that I have. This one came out of it. I saved it from the dump. It's from '78. I don't think I'm going to find a litter bowl for it though, and if I did, I'd use a tilt valve in it. So this is just been sitting unused until now. Let's not forget, same valve is also in my Briggs. Oh my god. My cat's loving it in there. I'm gonna hate to have to kick her out. Then I'm using this, one of the best flappers on the market if you ask me, the Brasscraft Hornet. These are awesome. They're only like $6 Canadian too. This one has this on it because I was gonna put it in my neighbor's Pink New Day, but never really got around to it. And she doesn't want a new flapper. So yeah. Otherwise it wouldn't come without this extra thing. The lever is also the same as this toilet came with. All I'm really doing is replacing the flush valve at this point. I was gonna take the flush valve out, reuse it. I don't like Korky flappers, so I was gonna do away with it. But as I was cleaning the flush valve, it actually broke on me. Thing didn't want to be clean, I guess. Okay, so my cat's still screwing around in there. Gonna have to give her the boot. Never tried to film me rebuilding a tank before, so bear with me. So, first of all, going to kind of unscrew this new nut I put on. This one didn't have the nut, so I took it off of the broken flush valve. So I'm gonna take it off like so. Alright, she's out. Then I'm gonna put it in like so. I'm gonna make sure it's straight because I'm very OCD when it comes to that. Gonna set that down. Now let's see if I can. Then I'm gonna take the. Fuck, this is hard. I'm gonna take the nut and kind of screw it around. I know you can barely see it, but whatever, eh? First time, you could say. It's at these times that I wish I had a GoPro. So this camera is being flicked because I'm turning the nut around, and you know what? Let's see if I can prop it up a wee bit. Yeah, this is gonna work. I'm probably gonna have to come back here with a good old wrench to do it. But you know, it'll work for now. Next we've got this flush valve. I'm gonna take off this clip and reuse it on a different toilet one time maybe. Because the certain flush comes with a built-in clip. So I'm gonna take off this very unique nut here. Never seen anything like it except on these. These go about for like 20 bucks at Canadian Tire. Pretty cool thing. So I'm just gonna put it in. That's the right side. This is a very weird nut. I'm just tighten her up a bit. Oh yeah, it's coming. Yeah, should suffice for now. So then I'm gonna move on to this lever here. It's a universal one that you can get at Canadian Tire for like $7. Okay, just loosening that nut a bit. So I'm just gonna put it in. Awesome, awesome. Making this poor thing spasm from trying to record and do this at the same time. So let's just tighten this to satisfactory. There we are. Now, I normally just prop the tank up, but since it's got bolts on, I'm gonna have to move it to my bed for the final part. Just putting the flapper in. Now we're gonna prop it up. Also ought to put the refill tube in right. There we are. Beautiful. So I'm gonna remove this extra thing. Bloody hell. It is removed. Maybe I can use this on another crapper one time. For now, I'm just gonna put the ears of the flapper onto whatever this is. The pins. Yeah, they call these ears, and it's really weird. Good old Hornet X. So, bloody hell. So I'm gonna adjust this pin, because if I were to do it on this, as is, would not work too well. Like, look at that. I'm gonna have to take this off, unhook it, relocate it to about here. No, you guys can't see, but yeah, just about. Maybe it can go a couple things up. Yeah, right here. So you can see. There we are. Perfect. Got some kind of slack so it won't like leak. No, that might. Yeah, and it won't really hit that lid because it's so flippin' like high in there. And this is how I rebuilt the tank of the 1980 Orion. If you guys are interested in seeing me rebuild more of my toilet tanks in the future, please do let me know. And yeah, this filming could certainly be improved, but hey, it's first time. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Have a great day.